Stunning car. Right behind me is this 2022 72 registration Porsche 911 Turbo in a colour called Gentian Blue, just in case you haven't heard that before or seen it. It's a lovely shade of blue and the glitter in it is fantastic. It's got full Porsche service history, 12,000 miles, and this car has the extended Porsche warranty up until November 2027. That's a fantastic benefit. It's also got spec like the tilt and sliding panoramic glass roof, the front axle lift system, the upgraded staggered 20 and 21 inch turbo wheels, which are diamond polished. But then you've got the matrix LED headlights with the LED DRLs, LED strip lighting down below, front rear parking sensors, and then you have the aerodynamic splitter on the front, which comes out electronically. This is a stunning car, 580 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in just under 3 seconds. But in that colour, with that look, with 12,000 miles on, it is brilliant. Inside you have the full black leather interior with the electric adjusted seats. You've got the Bose upgraded sound system, and then you have this lovely finish to the interior inlays, cup holders, obviously the PDK gearbox. I'll quickly switch it on so you can see the lighting on this because it has a touchscreen media system, the digital dashboard, sports chrono clock in there as well. Electric adjusted seats, as you can see, with the memory set as well. This is awesome. Especially when it's in such low miles. If you do research and have a look at what's available, some of them haven't got the front axle lift system, haven't got Bose, but this one does have everything. Nice, simple look down below. Like I said, this one does slide all the way back as well. The buttons are down here. Heated seats, 3.7 twin turbo. What more can you ask for? But then as you get to the back of the car, you have the exclusive light package with that clear lens finish. 911 bang in the middle, twin exhaust fascias there, and that rear spoiler which does adjust electronically. Previous keepers did leave in a rear dash cam, which we've left in as well for now. It's just an added extra. It isn't from Porsche, nothing like that. We thought, you know what, somebody might benefit from it. Twist this to start the car, drive mode, switch mode there, paddle shift, put it into reverse, and then you've got the 360 camera system just there. The dual zone climate control, the sports exhaust, there's a lift axle button just there. How cool is this car? It really is. It sounds good, it goes really well, but it's in that colour as well, which looks really special. It's about to go live now, and if you have been looking for a car with low mileage, great power and great styling, a car you can use every single day and sort of blend in, because it does. It's not right in your face, nothing like that. It works really well. My name's Joe, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, bye bye.